In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Windows computer on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. If you want to do a clean slate and reinstall Windows and wipe all the data back to default. So this is going to be slightly different than a partial reset if you want to keep personal files. This is just a full factory reset here. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System. On Windows 10, it would say Update and Security, possibly. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and locate Recovery. Go ahead and select that. And then select underneath Recovery Options where it says Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. Select Reset PC. At this point, you would select the Remove Everything option to remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings, and then proceed with the wizard here. It's a very straightforward process, and it can take some time to run, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.